Hey Lindsay, can you start the engine but leave the bay doors down? It's really cold outside.
Aren't we worried about carbon monoxide poisoning?
That's a really good point. Hi, I'm Lieutenant Krystal Lowery.
And I'm Firefighter Paramedic Lindsey Brittle.
Every year, about 150 people die from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning.
Do you have a carbon monoxide detector in your home?
Here are some tips to keep you and your family safe from carbon monoxide poisoning.
We're following a story out of Frederick County, Maryland.
If you're just joining us, I'm covering some breaking news.
911 call about an unconscious child. The carbon monoxide emergency.
Her son Jordan died of carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide leak sending more than 24 children and staff to the hospital.
She woke up feeling kind of funny. She didn't know what was wrong, but it turns out a colorless, odorless gas was coming from the furnace right beneath.
Children taken to the hospital tonight after being exposed to a carbon monoxide leak.
Carbon monoxide is a poisonous, colorless, and odorless gas which is impossible to detect without an alarm. Having carbon monoxide alarms in your home are just as important as smoke alarms.
You need an alarm on each level of your home and an alarm outside every bedroom. Make sure to push the test button each month to make sure that it's working properly. If you hear the alarm, get outside immediately. Then call the fire department and don't go back inside unless the firefighters say it's safe.
Fuels that burn like wood and charcoal or make heat or energy using carbon-based fuels such as natural gas, propane, oil, gasoline, or diesel engines can produce a gas called carbon monoxide. These types of incidents happen when things like appliances, equipment, and vehicles are faulty, improperly used, or not properly vented. The U.S. Fire Administration estimates more than 150 people die every year from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. You can find and purchase a carbon monoxide detector at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, or any of your local hardware stores.
Thanks for stopping by.
Join us next time for more safety tips.